You think bulls just get angry for no reason? Think again. Bulls don't actually hate the color red. That's a myth. They're colorblind to red and react to movement, not color. A full-grown bull can weigh over 1,000 kilograms and run up to 40 kilometers per hour, faster than most humans can sprint. When they charge, it's pure muscle. Their neck alone is built like a tank. But here's the crazy part. Bulls aren't naturally aggressive. Most only attack when they feel threatened or stressed. It's not about anger, it's about power. Like and subscribe for more wild facts.